Hey y'all, so I'm about to show y'all how I make this shirt. Well, shirt, whatever you want to say. I'm not too good with upcycling things. I like to start from scratch with my things. So this was something new. Well, this is probably like the second or third time I did something like this. And I really don't like it, but I just need more videos. So there's that. Let's get started. I start off with a 3XL shirt, and I put my shirt over it to like get the pattern out. And I was gonna just make another shirt like the shirt that I have, but I was like, no, that's too basic. I want to try something like summer vibes or something that I can change around. So yeah, I did that, and I'm about to cut the back so I can make like the strings or whatever you want to call it. So I cut it at like the armholes. I really should have cut it some more, well, down some more, but it's fine. Live and you learn. Then I cut the middle. Well, I cut it in half, and like this was so ugly. Like it was bothering me so much. But you see what I'm doing, so you should know what not to do for when you, well, if you try it. Now so I'm sewing the sides. Make sure the pretty sides are touching, the right sides are touching before you sew. And you just sew each side. Right here, I'm trying to make it like more V-shaped, so I cut a little thing in the middle. And I really should have cut it like at the middle, in the middle of the S, to make it more like V-shaped type. But I just did a little one just to begin with, and that was clearly a mistake that I made. And I'm just sewing like a little slant right there, and then you'll see how it looks after I fold it out. So this is how it looks. I feel like if I would have cut it down some more, it would have been, you see that like the bubbly looking thing? I feel like it would have looked like that. So I don't know. Make sure to get your elastic and safety pins, put it to the side, and now we're going to sew our channel so we can place the elastic through that channel. So you want to turn it inside out, and you want to fold the fabric a little bit, like however thick or however wide your elastic is. And when you're sewing it around, you want to leave at least like 1 or 2 inches right there, so you can like feed the elastic through that channel. And this is why you want to leave 1 inch or 2, so you can feed your elastic through this channel right here. Now get your elastic, put a safety pin on each side, and you just feed it through. For the safety pin on one side, make sure it's like straight up and down, like vertically, so it doesn't go through the channel. Now you just want to sew it like so, and you want to sew it 1,000,000 quadrillion Brazilian quadrillion times, okay, so it doesn't pop. Now you just want to push all the elastic back in through them channels, or through the channel, and then you're gonna, well, what I did, I turned it to straight stitch, and then I just sewed the remaining, oh my gosh, I cannot talk, the remaining thing that's left open. Oh my gosh, I just closed it up. That's it. Now for the back piece, so it can be like a little fitted and not falling down and looking ugly, I just measured whatever the back is. I just measured it, and I took off some inches, maybe like 2 or 3 inches off, cut it, and then I'm just gonna stretch it out, pin it on each side, on each end, and then pin in the middle, and then you can just literally sew like so. Just make sure you pull while you're sewing. And that's the end of that. Again, I don't like upcycling things. So when people ask me, oh, can you upcycle this? Can you do this? No, I like starting from scratch because I know what I'm doing like that. And don't mind the deodorizer spots, because I mean, it's just deodorant. It's fine. It's okay. But, yeah, if you guys like this, or if you think you'll like more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do whatever you want to do. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day or night, or not. I don't know. Whatever mood you are in. Bye. And y'all, clearly I did not know what I was doing. I was just trying to figure out ways to style this, like different ways. I don't know. Yeah, the last one, I don't know. I don't really like this. I don't really like one shoulder off type deal. I do not like them type of styles at all. But I just did it just because, it's something that I thought of. Now this was like accidental, but that was really cute because I like gowns and stuff. That was cute. I was like, oh yeah, yep, let me keep this in. All right, no, for real. Bye.